Polar Bear here. I'm doing something really special today. Matter of fact, two special somethings. First, I'm going to win Funky Monkey. They forgot the key, so we added the key. And we'll win this lollipop, because that's what they call suckers in some parts of the world. And all Evil Arch Conservative has to do is open this lock. Or not open it, because I'm going to win anyway. Polar Bear, you never have any confidence in me. All I care about is winning. Oh, so true, Polar Bear. But yeah, I found this Funky Monkey candy at the store today and thought this would be the perfect time to do an out of the package pick of this Master Lock 140 that Chris Capoon sent me in my first package. I picked the 141D that yeah, I'm blanking on who sent it to me. It doesn't help. Anyway, it was in my last package. So let's give this a shot. Be so glad when I get moved and have a better setup. Okay, let's okay, there's the bidding on the key. Let Polar Bear hold those. Wide way! Okay. Yeah, I was coming home Friday and picking some locks on the bus. I was picking my 150 and I was able to tell that 5-pin was probably a spool. So that was the first time I'd been able to do something like that. So really happy when I learn little things. This is a stiff little lock. Yeah, we had rain the other night, and then snow, and then rain, and then the temperatures dropped. It was, I think the high today was about 23, which actually felt pretty warm because the sun was out and there was no breeze, but I was out a little bit ago having a cigar, and it's cold. It's dark out now, though. So I'm very glad I'm not homeless right now, like I was this time last year. I mean, we had some cold days, but it really wasn't always had a place to sleep there at the shelter, and they'd throw you out at 7 a.m. after breakfast, and then you could come in for lunch, and after dinner you were in for the night. So then Horizon House, I could stay there for 2 or 3 hours a day. They did it in shifts by your birthday. So I really was lucky when I was homeless. I spent a week in the mental hospital because I wasn't doing so well, but I've gotten through all that, and so happy to have found this community. Be getting my own place here in a few weeks and not be sharing. I don't think that's good news for my roommate, but I gotta take care of myself. Not gonna say why, but this. Hurry up! Oh, Polar Bear, you're so impatient. Okay, reset that. I'm not sure if I got too much or too little tension on this. I will say the Master Lock 3 Chris sent me, I have not been able to get that thing open single pin picked. I've got it raked open a couple of times, but it's an evil little lock. I think my roommate's going to be in the hospital because I was getting ready to go out today to go do my laundry. She asked if I'd call somebody for her, and I gave her the phone so she could call them herself. Don't know what she did with her phone, but she could lose something in an empty room. But she had told me she wanted to call him to take her to the grocery, and she told him she wanted to go to the hospital to get her medicines. So I think she went to the ER and probably got admitted. She's got congestive heart failure and COPD and some other health issues, but yeah, she used to be really, really active, but God, for probably the last 6 months, she doesn't move out of this house or go anywhere unless she's got a ride, and it's like right now, with the ice out, it's not good for her to be out, but she'd be in a lot better shape if she'd get out and walk some. Need to break here.